Hello and welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making a rich, flavorful chicken biryani. We start by taking 200 grams of basmati rice in a bowl, wash it thoroughly and soak in water for 1 hour. Take 500 grams of chicken and separate out the bones from the boneless pieces. Keep the bones in a bowl and the boneless pieces in another. Add water to the bowl with bones and boil it for 30 minutes to make fresh chicken stock. While the stock boils, marinate the boneless chicken. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 cup curd, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt, a pinch of regular red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chicken tandoori masala, and mix everything well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. The tip here is to mix everything well until the chicken is nicely coated in the masala. The more evenly it's coated, the more flavorful each bite will be. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Till then, we'll proceed to the next step. Now, let's prepare the barista. Take 1 onion and slice it into thin slices. Try to keep the slices even so they cook uniformly and turn perfectly golden while frying. Keep this aside. Separately, take 200 grams of onion and roughly chop it. No need to make it too fine. Just cut them into medium chunks and then grind them into a smooth paste using a mixer or a blender. This will form the base of our masala. Now take 300 grams of tomatoes, roughly chop them and add it to ginger along with 10 to 12 garlic cloves and 1-inch piece of ginger. Roughly cut the ginger as well so it grinds smoothly. Blend everything into a smooth paste. For garnishing, take a small bowl, add a few strands of saffron and soak them in water. Set this aside for later. Now take 10 to 12 cashews and split them in half or break them gently. Heat 1 teaspoon of ghee in a small pan on low flame and roast the cashews until they turn golden and aromatic. To prepare barista, heat oil in a kadhai. Add the thinly sliced onions that we had prepared earlier and fry them on medium flame until golden brown. Once the onions turn beautiful golden brown, then take them out using a sieve or a slotted spoon. Gently press them against the sieve with the back of a spoon to drain out all the excess oil. This helps keep the barista crispy and prevents the biryani from becoming greasy. In the same oil, add the onion paste that we had prepared earlier and saute it well. Cook the paste on medium flame until it becomes golden brown and starts smelling sweet and cooked. Once it starts to look like this, add the tomato, ginger, garlic paste into the onion base and mix everything well. Cook this masala until it releases oil. That is your sign that it is properly done. Mix it thoroughly, keep stirring it so that nothing sticks to the bottom and you don't get the burnt flavor. Time to spice it up. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix up all the spices well into the masala. Lower the flame to low and gently add the marinated chicken into the mixture. Since there is curd in the marination, make sure the flame stays low so the curd doesn't split. Keep stirring the chicken gently. Make sure each piece gets fully coated with the rich masala. As it mixes in, you will notice the color deepening and the texture thickening slightly. After a few minutes, you will start to hear a gentle sizzling sound. That is a good sign the chicken is starting to cook and absorb all the delicious flavors from the spices and the masala base. Add 1 cup of water to this and mix. Cover it with a lid and let the chicken cook for 15 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile, drain the water from the soaked rice. To cook the rice, add 300 ml chicken stock for 200 grams of rice in a fresh pot. Add 2 bay leaves and 10 to 12 whole black peppercorns. Take a spice infuser or tie a muslin pouch and fill it with 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, a small piece of cinnamon, some javitri, 1 chakra phool and 5 to 7 cloves. Seal the infuser and place it in the rice pot. This helps infuse the rice with beautiful whole spice aromas without having the actual pieces get in the way while eating. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and a pinch of red chilli powder. Let the rice cook till it's about 70% done, soft but still has a bite. By now the chicken should be around 90% cooked. Sprinkle some kasuri methi on top for the delicious aroma. Now take out half of the cooked chicken and keep it aside in a bowl for layering process. This way, when we start layering the biryani, we can build rich flavorful layers that have chicken and masala evenly spread throughout. With the chicken in the kadai, add a layer of the 70% cooked rice on top. Now add the chicken you had kept aside as the second layer. Follow this with another layer of rice and the rest of the chicken over this layer. Spread each layer gently and evenly so that the flavors blend well and reach every corner of the biryani. Make sure to layer it carefully so every spoonful is packed with deliciousness. For garnishing, add the fried barista onions on top, sprinkle some chopped fresh coriander and mint leaves. Also, add a pinch of kasuri methi and pour the saffron water gently across the top. Next, squeeze in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. It brightens the flavor and balances the richness perfectly. Finally, sprinkle the roasted cashews on top and add a delicious crunch and rich nutty aroma. Place a tawa on the stove and keep the kadai on top of it. Cover with a lid and close the biryani on low flame for 15 minutes to give it a dum. After 15 minutes, open the lid, drizzle 1 ladle of ghee all over the top, turn off the flame and close the lid again. Let it rest for 10 more minutes before serving. The aroma just hits you, so rich and inviting. You'll see the rice perfectly cooked, the chicken juicy and tender, and those beautiful colors just make it irresistible. You can't wait to dig in. Serve the biryani hot and fresh, accompanied by a cooling raita made with creamy yogurt, finely chopped onions, and crisp cucumber. This refreshing side perfectly complements the rich flavors of the biryani and adds a delicious cool contrast to every bite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this detailed chicken biryani recipe and feel inspired to try it at home. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.